Hello everyone, welcome to Dear Denise Diary, or welcome back to Dear Denise Diary. Today basically I just want to show you how I freshen up my hair. If you come up close, you will see I have got a lot of flakiness and dandruff in my hair, and at the back. And sometimes it's just the dry scalp or the excessive products, maybe product buildup. And mainly sometimes I'm allergic or some sort of allergic reaction to this hair. Some of them gives me dandruff, I don't know why, but well, I guess I'm just allergic to it. So I want to show you how I wash and freshen it up. So if let's see, I'm just taking this off, and then I want to show you if you can see anymore. Can you see? And this is the back. I don't know if you can see properly, but yeah, that's what it is. So let's go in and freshen this thing up. Right, let's get it washed nice and clean, and yeah, I'll show you how I do that. Okay guys, so I'll be washing my hair with this. It's the tea gel from Neutrogena. It's for dry scalp, and can you read what it says when it focuses? Dry scalp and cirrhosis, etc. It's got tar in it, so it's good, you know, the smell is quite strong in there. So I wash with this, and then I follow up with a moisturizing shampoo. This one, I'm going to be using this one today, the Aussie one, and then I'm going to follow up with this conditioner. That's it. So this one can get rid of the smell and also give me some moisture in the hair, because the tea gel one is quite stripping. So what I have done is I have put the shampoo, because I didn't want to put it on the whole length of my hair. I've put the shampoo on my scalp, and I just sort of work it into it, massage it into it for a while, because there's quite a lot of flakiness and I want to get rid of it all. And I'm just going to leave it in my hair for a little while, and then I'll go into the shower, rinse it off, use the other shampoo and conditioner, and sometimes I may sit under the dryer, sometimes not. I want it to dry, you know, without heat. So what I'm going to be doing is just allow it to dry. When it dries, I'll come back and show you how I get it all looking fresh and new again. So, hi guys, so it's the next day. I'm here, my hair is all clean. This is my scalp. And what I have done is I've put in some hair oil. I've got this, so what I do is I just sort of drip it in the hair all over, in all the lines, and then I give the hair a good massage just to get it all, you know, on the scalp. And then I put some in my hand and then just rub it into the hair itself, just to get some into my hair, which is in the braids. I think my hair is so very clean right now. This is the back. So this is what we're working with. This side, all clean up. And here. So yeah, so you can see it's really not looking good. It's all a little bit messy. I just want to get it all tidy up, looking a little bit better. I need a mirror really, so let me grab a mirror. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now I've got a mirror. This is what we're working with. So This is not a lot, but usually I don't really care too much here because I'm going to be holding my hair up. So mainly is the parameters of the hair that I really want to get looking nice, because I'm just going to hold it up. So I'm going to start from here and I'll show you how I do it. This is my edge control. This is what I usually use for it, but today I'm going to try the jam, which is what I usually use to sort of braid the hair. I want to see if that will work. If it doesn't, I'll just use the edge control, which is what I normally use, but I've never tried this before. I mean, it does say it's conditioning and holding, so we'll see if that will work. So what I basically do is I just put this all around the hair. Like that. And then I just give it a twist like that. Just get everything in there to look all neat in here as well. And that's all I do. I just twist it. Yeah, I think it's not too bad. And then we'll do the next one. This one is very loose, so I'll just let's do the front. It's only so this is what we've done so far. Yeah, Doesn't take long at all, doesn't take much time. So guys, with this method, I would advise that you don't do it every week, just adding products and just twisting the hair. But in between twists, make sure you wash the hair thoroughly and get all products out. Otherwise, you'll be risking locking your hair, which is very important. You don't want to lock your hair. Okay guys, so you get a general idea. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up and I'll be right back. Okay. Thank you so much for watching today, and if you find value in this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share our video to your communities so we can have more people watching us and growing this channel. I will be most grateful. I do appreciate your time with us today. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the video and your day. Okay guys, so I am back, and this is the back. The only problem we have now is all the clips. So I'm going to remove all the clips and I'm going to put my hair up. Yeah, so let's see how we do that. Some of them may come undone and we can just twist them and put them back in again. Now go ahead and here. So I want my bun all the way up here. And so I'm just looking in the mirror here to help me. So I'm just gonna take the clips out. You know, have the hair up somewhere here. So yeah. So you want to fix this place. This one I'm not going to bother, I think these will cover it. So this we've done already, so we can actually put that out of the way so we know which ones we need to do. I'll just click that. I have done this, so just basically twist it back again. You can just take the whole hair down, and then I want to see how the back looks like. Let me just take everything down because it's just, if I'm happy with the back, then we can take everything down. think it looks good. I'm happy. And that's it. I've got everything up. Let's see the back. This is the back. The back, on the side, and the front. So that's basically it. Nice, clean hair. And you can just trim away the flyaways if you want, but I'm good. Sometimes I just grab a little bit of gel and just pass it over it, and then just lie down. But so that's it. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. So this is how I do it. What do you think? Do you like it? You can always go ahead and just tidy up the baby hairs if you like. If you want to do some swooping, you can just go ahead and do that with the edge control or something, but I mean, I'm happy with this. So that's it. What do you think? Anyway, thank you so very much for watching this video. I do hope it helps somebody. It didn't take any time at all to just twist them. It's really quick. I think it took maximum of half an hour, or even if it takes an hour, it's not a lot of time, and I think you can do that just to freshen up the hair. If you don't have time to take the whole hair down and redo it, or take it out one at a time and redo it, or even, you know, you don't have time to get the whole hair done or go to the salon, whatever. I mean, this is an option to just get your hair tidy up. This can take me another week or so, you know. Yeah, so I hope this is helpful. Thank you so very much for staying through the video with me. I appreciate you all, and until next time, bye for now.